Students, educators, and leaders have been urged to work towards a new educational model for the society to produce not only skilled professionals but also ethical citizens who will be grounded in shared values, discipline, and purpose. This was the submission of the guest speaker during the third Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Memorial Lecture held at the ETF Auditorium COOU Igbariam campus. The well-attended lecture, which is the third in the series, has the theme Harnessing the Power of Education for National Development: Lessons from the Life and Vision of Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu.
Are there areas that violence will not work? Are there areas that we must sit and talk as a people? It is only when we come together as a people that we will actualize that our dream of Igbos.
Setting the tone for this academic exercise, the immediate past Vice Chancellor of COOU, Professor Greg Nwokobi, took the audience down the memory lane on the life and times of the late Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. He states that Ojukwu, who died a hero, believed in Nigeria where justice, peace, equity, and fairness thrives.
He was the man who believed in sanctity of life, was selfless, persuasive, upright, and had uncompromising attitude to justice. He was selfless, fighting for Nigeria and Nigeria where there would be freedom. It was as if spell was cast on him because he listened to no word while he was there. According to him, Ojukwu, it was in his blood because his grandfather, Ojukwu Ezin, was also the warrior.
The acting Vice-Chancellor, Professor Kate Omenora, among other speakers, eulogized the virtues of the late Ojukwu. She appealed for more support from the guests to lift the university to greater heights.
This, I believe, administration is very intentional about ensuring that we reflect the true image of the man who's then dead by inculcating the principles of fairness, integrity, equity, doggedness, resilience, and bravery. These are qualities worth celebrating and reverberating the entire nation.
We have entered Nigerian history. For the next thousands of years, if Christ does not come, we will not write the history of this country without Chief Emeka Odumegwu. And I think that is the pride of independence, of self-will, that is connected to development and vision.
In what many described as well-articulated and incisive lecture, Chief Osita Chidoka reiterates that schools must reclaim their roles as sanctuaries of transformation, hence the need to rebuild Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University as a flagship institution.
Ojukwu symbolizes a blend of strength and sophistication and a relentless pursuit of excellence. This university should capture that very spirit, emerging as a center of learning that commands respect and recognition, not just locally, but also on the world stage. We need new thoughts and new ideas on securing our homeland. We need to de-escalate the disruptive violence happening around us. We need to secure our space for meaningful development.
Highlights of this historic Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Memorial Lecture include documentary on building a University of Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu vision, presentation of plaques of appreciation to the Odumegwu Ojukwu lecture supporters, cutting of the lecture cake, plus more. From Igbariam, Chinyere-fessy Okoye, NTA News.